Hi friends, I just wanted to take a minute to go over with you the spell the word activity that practices our silent letters, the WR, we have the silent W, and the KN where the K is silent. I hope you guys liked the Chris the Word Whiz video that went over some of these words. When we have the W and the R together, we don't hear the W sound. So if you look up here at our word bank, WR, we're just going to read it as R, right? And we know from last week that EA says our long E sound. So R, ETH, wreath, right? And underneath that we have KN. We know that K is silent when it's next to the N. So here we're just going to see the KN and say N, ok, knock. This word is wrench, wrench. And we have eel, kneel, ought, not. Okay, so that kind of knot with the K is when you tie something in a knot, like your shoelaces, right? That is not the knot that is, I cannot do that. We know that that one is just N-O-T. If it has a K in front of it, we know we're talking about the knot that you tie. Over here we have right, right? The magic E at the end of this word is making that I say its name, so it's a long I, and it's right. Our spelling word this week is the other kind of right. This kind of right with the WR and the magic E at the end. This is the one that you do when you are writing something, when you write with your pencil. Okay. Under here is the word night, night. So this word has our KN, and then it has our IGH pattern. And if we cover up that K, you should recognize that word as one of our spelling words, right? That's the word night, nighttime. If you add a K in front of it, it still says night, but now it means something different. Now we're talking about the knight in shining armor. Okay. This word is ring, ring. Okay. Ring is another one of those crazy words that has two different meanings. So when we're looking at it, if we cover up the W, that's ring, like you wear a ring on your finger, or the phone will ring. If you put a W in front of it, it now means you wring something out, meaning you're twisting it. If something's really wet, you can take it and twist it to get the water out of it. And then the last one here is knit, right? That's when you're knitting something. With people knit sweaters or blankets or all kinds of things. So here on our page, we have to segment the word and then write the word. So this first one, this little boy, is knock, knock, knock on the door. So find the word knock and write it in here. The second one we have is a picture of a wreath that you hang on the door. So you're going to write the word wreath under here. Here is a good picture example of ring. That's not the ring that we wear or the ring that the phone does. That's when you wring something out when it's super duper wet. So you see he's twisting it and the water's falling off of it. Here is a picture of somebody that's knitting. So you're going to find the word knit and write it underneath here. Here is a picture of a tool, and that tool is called a wrench. Wrench. So that's what we're going to write here. Here's a picture of our hand holding a pencil, getting ready to write. Write. So we're looking for the word write, the one that means what you do when you have a pencil in your hand. Okay. Over here, this person's on their knees. They are kneeling. So we're going to find the word kneel up in the word banks and write it there. Here is a picture of a knot. That rope is tied in a knot. So we're going to write the word knot here. And here is our knight in shining armor. There he is. So we want to find the word knight, the one that means the knight in shining armor, not the nighttime, the opposite of day. This is our knight in shining armor. So we're going to find that word up here and write it right in the box there. Okay?